Hi everyone, I'm recording this video in order to show you one of the very first projects that I have ever made. It's part of the Bootcamp Full-Stack Web Development that I'm studying with SocraTech, and it's a web page that allows hospitals to register themselves as well as the doctors that work for them. First, I'm going to show you the database. It's a database called hospitals, and it has two tables, as there are two entities in this system, the hospital and the doctor. They are both related through the hospital ID and through this sentence that makes everything, that every change that you made in one table, it's going to apply to the other one. They both have a primary key that is their respective ID, and they are set to auto increment, so every time there's a new profile, the ID number changes itself. You don't need to introduce it. Also, the email is set to unique, so two hospitals cannot register using the same email address. And if we go to this diagram, we can see that they are effectively related. Next thing, I'm going to talk about the server. I did it with Node.js, and I also downloaded some libraries like or dependencies like bcrypt for encrypting the passwords, Multer for the images, Express for the general architecture of the project. And if we go to app.js, we see that I have required some libraries, so everything works correctly, and I have declared the routes in these hospitals and doctors. If we go to doctors, we see more libraries that have been required. This one to connect it to this other file, and we are going to see a bit more in depth these two routes. For the form create doctor, we have a get route, so the user can open the form in order to introduce the data, and then we have the method post, this route with the method post, so the information can be saved into the database and also applied to the website. This method is what connects it to the image to each folder. And if we go to the doctor controllers, we see again that I have required this, so it connects to the database, and it's also connected by this line to the doctor routes. There's an open form method here that obviously it's opening the form for the doctor, and here is another method to save the information that the user introduces. I have done some destructuring in order to get information that comes with from the petition. This first line is going to get executed in case there's no image, and if there's an image in the form attached, it will enter into this if statement, and it will save all the information plus the photo. This here is the same as whatever we have set in the input field name, and yeah, for the photo, instead of a text type, it's a file type, and the form is connected to the post method through this action. And we have set this end type because it's a form with images attached. it wouldn't work otherwise. Now we're going to the web page itself. Here it is like the home, where there is the list of the doctors, and sorry about that, the information about the hospitals. Here we have like the list. It's responsive, as well as the navbar that brings you to the register of the hospital. If you try to submit this form, it doesn't let you because you need to fill all the fields except for the image. So we're going to add our hospital. If the passwords are not identical, it doesn't let you either to submit information. And we are going to upload an image. This one, for example, we created, and we can see the new hospital that has been added to the home page. And if we go to the profile of one hospital, we will see the list of the doctors, as well as some added information. Here, the description of the hospital. Here we have the doctor that I already added through the database, but we can add a new one. For example, this one. If we add a photo, we create it, and we see the new profile. This one is also responsive. And of course, you can also delete doctors. And that will be it. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, this is my LinkedIn. You can contact me and we can have a chat. Thank you.